Are you ready to find out how to use your AVA and take your facial spa experience to the next level? Smart Facial Cleanser and Anti-Aging Massager. Skincare Infusion and Collagen Boosting System. Revolutionary Self-Disinfection Technology. Get a luxe in-office treatment without leaving your bathroom. Remove as much makeup as you can and dampen your face and neck. Apply a layer of your regular cleansing product on your skin evenly. Remove the self-disinfection cap. Purify Mode. Turn on your device by pressing and holding the power button, which activates the Purify Mode. Innovative breakthrough micro-pulse counter-oscillating sonic technology, providing high-tech facial cleanser and firming massager. Use the plus-minus button to adjust 3 treatment intensities. Fully customizable to suit sensitive, normal, and oily skin types. Place the Purify head against your skin. Glide it slowly. Avoid pressing too hard or scrubbing. Divide your face and neck into 6 treatment areas and glide AVA gently and evenly across treatment area for 20 seconds. Glide the device from center to the sides on your face and in upward motions on your neck. AVA turns off automatically after 2 minutes, which means you have successfully finished your treatment on the Purify Mode. It removes dirt, impurities, and makeup residue to a maximum level. Rinse your device with warm water and soap, then pat dry with a lint-free cloth or towel. Now rinse and dry your face to complete the Purify routine. To maximize the skincare benefits of AVA's Purify Mode, we suggest you use it twice a day. The UVC self-disinfection system starts disinfecting the AVA immediately after you place the disinfecting cap on the Purify head. The UVC turns off automatically. LUXAMAX Mode. LUXAMAX Mode offers skincare infusion and collagen boosting system. Apply your favorite serum, oil, or skincare on your skin. Turn on your device by pressing and holding the power button. Then press it again to activate the LUXAMAX Mode. Divide your face into 3 treatment areas and glide AVA evenly across each treatment area for 1 minute. Glide it from center to the sides on your face and jawline. Your LUXAMAX AVA turns off automatically after 3 minutes, which means you have successfully finished your treatment on the LUXAMAX Mode. To maximize the skincare benefits of AVA's LUXAMAX Mode, we suggest you use it every other day. Available at luxamax.com.